So hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be unboxing the new Kepler Season Greeting 2023. Catch your eye, catch your mind, okay? So guys, I can't wait to unbox this because it's Kepler. So let's go, okay? Let's see what's inside, guys. Okay, let me just remove the plastic wrapper yet again, every time. Okay, so definitely you'll get calendars, you'll get notebooks, but I can't wait to see how the PC look like. So let's go. Okay, so looking at the packaging, definitely very nice, Christmas with the snow and everything. Okay, so where is the Photocard? Okay, guys, so let me just I think this is the Photocard. Okay, there is postcard. What is this? Oh my god, this is so nice, guys. Okay, so I got Dion. Let me take out all the inclusions first. Okay, the back of the packaging. Okay, so I think I will go and unbox the Photobook first. Okay, let me just remove the wrapper again, guys. I will have to try my best every time. Okay, nice. So I'm thinking that this is the Photobook. So yes. So let's go. Catch your eye, catch your mind. Whoa, this is a little bit different. Okay. Oh no, this is the notebook, the 3-in-1 notebook. So there is like calendars as well. Okay, do they not give notebook this time? Okay, let me skip through April, August, October, December. Okay, so they actually incorporated the photo book with the diary itself, so it's okay. Let me just skip through the parts. Okay, so this is the photo book. Eugene, very nice with the ballerina pose. Eugene, I hope y'all can see. And yes, with the bunny shouting. Yes, I can't wait to see her photo card, guys. So this is like a ballerina plus Christmassy theme, I think. Yes, shouting, visuals, Mashiro. Ooh, the dimples, guys. Ooh, guys, this photo looks nice, right? Ooh. Okay, great. Chaehyun. Whoa, guys, this photo itself looks like Irene, right? I think so. Okay, please don't yep. Okay, Chaehyun. Dion. Dion, wow. This photo. Hikaru with the blue dress. Nice. Hyuning Bai. Oh my god, guys. Look at her red hair, So nice. Very, very nice. Okay, Youngun purple dress. Ooh, guys, this photo. I think this concept itself wins everything, guys. Like the dresses they wear, you know. But I kind of hope that, you know, hope that, you know, Mashiro actually wore a purple dress instead of a grayish dress. And then Yeso with the green dress and the blonde hair. Okay, so I think this is the diary plus photobook. Okay, Kepler, definitely, guys. Okay, so next we have the calendar. Okay, from what I see from the inclusions, I can tell that this season's greeting has lesser items compared to season's greeting from JYP. So yes, let me just unbox this real quick. Okay, the plastic wrapper as always. Okay, so calendar from January to December, and then you have Eugene. Oh my god, guys, I think she's one of the visuals, you know. Very, very pretty, guys. Blue dress. And then you have Shouting. Yes. Ballerina for February. And then next we have, whoa, guys, very, very nice. Wow. Oh, okay, so this is something different. 3 of them in the same photo. I thought it would be, you know, different member for each month. Okay, so Dayon, pretty, guys. I mean, all of them are pretty. And this photo, man, guys, this photo itself, oh my god, guys. Okay, so we have Hikaru for June. And then Yeso for July. This is a very, very simple, you know, very simple calendar compared to other season's greeting. And then they have the 3 of them in one photo. Mashiro. Wow. For September. Chaehyun for October. Okay, guys, 2 more months to go. And Hyuning Bai for November. Wow, guys, very nice. And the last month, members, the 3 of them And then yes, this is the calendar. Okay, so next we have the, what is this, guys? I have no idea. I think stickers. Is it stickers? Okay, we'll see, we'll see. So this is a string. Okay. Oh, it's like a cutout for if you want to cut it out, but definitely not gonna cut it out. Mashiro, Jaehyun and Hyuning Bai, Yeso, Dayon and Hikaru, and then Shouting, Eugene and Youngun. Okay, cut out for each of the members. Nice. Okay, next we have the, I think this is the postcard, right? Postcard. Should be the postcard because from what I see, oh my god, guys. Okay, plastic wrapper for everything. Oh wait, is this a sticker? Oh, so postcard for all the 9 members. Okay. And guys, I just want to thank you all for 500 subscribers. And if you have watched till this point, you know, if you don't mind, just subscribe to my channel. I appreciate it a lot. So thank you guys for 500 subscribers. So next we have this Dayon cardboard stand, I guess. Yep, I think, yeah, cardboard stand, Dayon. Okay, I don't know whether this is random or not, so I think it should be random. Okay, so next we have this little badge here which says Kep1ER, and I won't open it because, you know, I just, yeah, it's just a badge. Great design, I guess. The first season's greeting to give a badge, I guess. The ones that I opened, you know, like the Seraphim, Itzy, you know, the first one to give a badge. Okay, so this is the Photocard, the last thing that there is in this season's greeting, and I will go through one by one. Okay, so as you can see, so this is Yeso. Nice. Not the normal Photocard that you get. Youngun. And then you have Hyuning Bai. Wow, guys, the red hair. And then Hikaru. Dayon. Jaehyun. Mashiro. And then Shouting. You know, I was hoping like it won't be like, you know, I hope it would be borderless, but you know, it's just what it is. And Eugene. Okay, pretty nice. So is this all that there is in this season's greeting? Yes, and this is the season's greeting with the least items. Okay, because for New Jeans one there is like keychain and everything. So these are all the photo cards that you get. Okay, so yes, this is how the photo card looks like. And thank you guys for watching my video. You know, and there's a message behind and I can't read it. So yes, so thank you guys for watching my video. Remember to subscribe if you enjoyed my video, like the video, and share it to your family members. Christmas season, okay? So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye.